Welcome back to Cars Jade Channel. Today we delve into the essence of automotive excellence with the new 2026 Kia EV9 GT. The 2026 Kia EV9 GT is set to redefine what it means to be an electric family SUV. Building on the success of the standard EV9 and the sporty EV6 GT, Kia's latest edition combines family practicality with exhilarating performance. The Kia EV9 is already known for being a reliable and spacious electric mid-size SUV. But the new GT variant takes things up a notch. With a focus on performance, the EV9 GT brings features that enthusiasts and families alike will appreciate. Kia's GT badge signifies peak performance, exclusive features, and advanced engineering. Borrowing a trick from its sibling brand Hyundai, the EV9 GT introduces a virtual gear shift. This feature simulates the feel of traditional gear changes during acceleration, complete with paddle shifters mounted on the steering wheel. For drivers craving a sporty experience, this innovation brings a dynamic edge to the EV9 GT. The EV9 GT isn't just about added power, it's packed with legitimate performance enhancements. Adaptive dampers fine-tune the suspension for a smoother or sportier ride. Electronically controlled limited-slip rear differential improves traction and handling in challenging conditions. Upgraded brakes. Neon green calipers hint at the beastly stopping power underneath. Performance tires. Grippy Continental tires paired with bold 21-inch wheels. Illuminated front panel. A unique light pattern on the front grille sets the GT apart visually. Even the front bumper design is distinct, ensuring the EV9 GT turns heads on every drive. Inside, the EV9 GT has a familiar layout that's jazzed up with green accents throughout the cabin. The front seats have added bolstering to keep passengers secure for when the driver wants to test the limits of the GT's stickier rubber. The seats are embossed with the GT logo and have micro-suede inserts. Kia also says the digital gauge cluster has exclusive graphics, which can be viewed behind the revised steering wheel that features a neon hash at the 12:00 clock position and a GT button to quickly trigger the sportiest drive mode. The new EV9 GT will feature a standard dual-motor all-wheel drive powertrain that Kia estimates will generate a combined 501 horsepower. Its official output hasn't yet been confirmed, and a torque figure hasn't been mentioned either. For reference, the non-GT dual-motor EV9 currently makes 379 horsepower and up to 516 pound-feet of torque. Kia claims the GT line will accelerate to 60 miles per hour in 5.0 seconds flat, and predicts the mightier GT will do the deed in 4.3 seconds. Considering the EV9 GT line we tested hit 60 miles per hour in 4.5 ticks, we expect the upcoming GT to be quicker than Kia's estimate. The 2026 Kia EV9 GT is expected to hit the market in the second half of 2025. While official pricing hasn't been disclosed, estimates suggest a starting price north of $80,000, reflecting its advanced features and performance capabilities. Thanks for joining us on this journey. Until next time, drive safe and stay adventurous.